Good morning students, welcome you all for online classes. Today we will see the interesting topic on visual cryptography. It is a technique that consists of hidden information. It may be text or it may be symbols or graphics within two semi-transparent pictures called layers. For example, this is one layer and another layer. If I combine these two pictures, then I will get my original secret message, that is AITM CSE 77. Okay, overlaying both the pictures means these two pictures exactly on top of one another will reveal the hidden information. Using this technique, it is impossible to retrieve any of the hidden information if you only have one of the two layers. Another example, this website already implemented this, just I am referring for your understanding purpose. Here first layer is what? Nick Berry is there, another one is fish. So both are different images, right? If I make this image, two images I am decrypting now. So after I am getting what? Fish, isn't it? Now these two different images, if we match them, then you will get original message. So I am just referring this website. Okay, I am not implemented this website. And now visual cryptography is a secret sharing scheme, absolutely secure as is the polynomial based secret sharing. We have already discussed. So in polynomial based secret sharing, we have seen that different kinds of keys, right? After combining those keys, we can easily unlock our locker. In visual secret sharing, no computation is required to decrypt the underlying image, means another image. In the simplest case, we start with a black and white image and create two transparencies, one for Alice and one for Bob. See, this is our original image. This is one for Alice and this one is for Bob. If we combine these two pictures, then we will get the original message. And create two transparencies, that is one for Alice and another one is Bob. And in the simplest case, we start with black and white image and to create two transparencies. So each individual transparency appears to be a collection of random black and white subpixels. But if Alice and Bob overlay their transparencies, the original image appears with some loss of contrast. In addition, either transparency alone adds no information about the underlying image. So this image I have taken from website. This I have not created this image. In this case, the secret is also a black and white image. See here, we have two possibilities. One is white and black. In white, we have to make the combination of white block and block white. So mix these S1 and S2 slots, then we will get white, first half white and half black. Then this one, if we match this case, first we will get first black and second half is white. So in black case, black and white white and black, you will get black. So white, black, black and white, so you will get white, black color. For each pixel of the secret image, if the pixel is white, then first two rows are randomly chosen to encode the pixel. This first row. If the pixel is black, then last two rows are the choice for encoding, means encrypting. And the secret image is encrypted in two shares. One is black and white. Just now we have discussed. So same. One is white, another one is black. The above figure shows various ways that individual pixel can be split into shares. That is image 1, image 2, image 3 and 4. One share goes to Ali's transparency and corresponding share goes to Bob's. After both images are matching, then you will get the original message. So consider this one is transparency image 1 and 2. After matching this, we will get the Ali's picture. Put an Ali's and Bob's transparencies at the same position corresponding to the pixel in the original image. When Ali's and Bob's transparencies are overlaid, the resulting pixel will be half black and half white. So in this case, black pixel, we flip a coin, means in previous slides that is a black and white pixel. Flip a coin to select between rows, means C and D. And this is a textbook. This is from textbook. So in that they mentioned C and D. And we again use the selected row to determine the shares. If the original pixel was black, the overlaid shares always add black pixel. If it is white, it will add half white and half black pixels. Okay, these two conditions we have seen in this box, right? White and black box. They result in a loss of contrast, but the original image is still clearly findable. So this one is another image, this is another. If we combine these two images, so we will get the original image. So if you have any doubts regarding this, please ask me. Thank you.